When I first started learning a language, some of the textbooks just weren't cutting it. They felt so dry and boring, and honestly, some of the vocabulary was pretty outdated, to put it mildly. I will never forget the phrase, "It's raining cats and dogs." I mean, I can't even imagine this. But movies are the whole different story. That is where you can hear real language, the slang and intonations people actually use in everyday life. Instead of just rote memorization, you're seeing the context and the emotions behind the words. It helps your brain learn new expressions way faster. But how to actually turn movie night into study session? Here is my experience with Ororo so far. I wanted to share a series I've been using a couple of years now. And just to be clear, it's not a sponsored post or anything. I think you guys get this, considering I barely have any subscribers, and this is only my second video. So I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Anyway, let's dive in. The first thing I have to mention is a massive library. You can find a huge selection of movies, TV shows, videos for any taste. Here, you will discover both brand new films and old beloved movies. Everything is sorted into clear categories, so it's super easy to pick something to watch. The service offers a dual subtitles mode, where you can see the original text and the translation on the screen at the same time. You can watch your favorite movie with English, Russian, German, Spanish, Czech, Turkish, and plenty of other options. If I come across the words I don't understand, I just move my mouse over it and the translation shows up right away. This way, I can keep watching without getting distracted from the story. My favorite part is being able to add new words to your personal dictionary with just one click. You can add new words one by one, or you can add entire phrases. Later, you can go back and review them in your personal dictionary whenever you want. I like to find a new word and add it, then add the whole sentence so I can learn new words in context. And I think that it's super helpful. If you don't feel like watching movies today but still want to practice, you can open your dictionary tab and start studying. You can actually download videos with subtitles. And now I'm not kidding. You can grab a whole movie and watch it offline, on the train, on holiday, no matter where you are. But here is one catch. You will need a subscription for that. There are several plans available and the prices are really fair. But if you are not ready to buy a subscription, you can watch up to 30 minutes of TV shows and videos for free each day. To really remember what you've learned, try to choose 2 or more interesting and useful phrases. Repeat them out loud, like the actors do. This will help you improve both your listening and speaking skills. And soon, you will notice that you're translating in your head less and less. And finally, will come a moment when a joke in English makes you laugh without glancing at any subtitles. These are the seconds when you realize that the language is not just a set of rules. It's a whole new world of meanings and opportunities. And one last piece of advice. Don't try to understand every single word right away. The main thing is to enjoy the process. These right tools, learning languages feels less like doing homework and more like enjoying a movie night. And see you next time.